This is POCO C40 and today we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you need to make sure that your smartphone is currently connected to any kind of network, either Wi-Fi or cellular. Then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once a needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can simply launch the app, and while opening the Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo the very simple and swift setup procedure. So in here, tap on this blue continue button, decide whether some of the features the Opera has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always tap on the skip option and configure them later. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is the page that allows you to customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to the Opera. I'll simply allow everything that it needs, and that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.